The speech organs and their functions. My name is Vigillas Muñoz Caicedo, University Corporations of the Caribbean. I am from São Paulo. The organs of the speech are very important and fundamental parts of the productions of the voice. Organs that aid in the productions of the voice. These are divided into the three parts: the organs of the respirations, nose, lungs, trachea. Organs responsible for distributing and storing the air. Organs of the FONAC are airway system, larynx, and vocal cords. The air passes through the larynx and through the vocal cords by and becoming sound. Organs of the articulations: teeth, tongue, lips, uvula is where the breathes through this by the vocal cords is mortified by the organs like the lips, teeth, palate, uvula and tongue that bridges the voice. Articulated organs that intervene in the productions of sounds. Lips. We use the lips to create different sounds like labi and bilabi. For example, p, b, l, l. Teeth. Teeth are used to create sounds labi or dental. For example, and the tongue. The tongue with the very right of B verbs intermits how to make speech sounds. For example, g, z, t, s, g.